How to request someone's location on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, in this video, I'll guide you on how to request our friends or family members' location. But both the members should be using iPhone or iOS devices and must be signed into their Apple ID. So to initiate the request, you will need to open up your messages app and go to the contact of the person whom you want to request the location from, and then just tap on the person's profile on the top of the message. And right here, you can find the request location and share my location option. You just have to tap on request location, and then you can see this pop up, and you can just hit send, and then that's it. This message will be sent, and that person can just tap on it and then share their location. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.